olwaleero Louella Ataro okuva mu minisitule y'eby'ettaka yasoose mu kakiiko kano akulira Omulamuzi Catherine Bamugemereire. Ono asabidde okutangaza akakiiko ku bikwatagana n'emirimu mu minisitule y'eby'ettaka n'engeri ebyapa gye bigabibwamu naddala mu ntobazi.
I apologize for the way I've been addressing this house.
Obuzibu bwa Ataro butandikidde ku ngeri gy'abadde ayanukula abakulira akakiiko ekiviiriddeko omulamuzi okumulabula.
Okay, this commission has not come here to just go through some box ticking.
I was advised by the lady that I should address you all as your lordship, so I thought that's what I should be doing.
It is not about whether you address somebody as your lordship or my lord or whatever. I am not interested in titles. I am interested in seeing that a person of your caliber gives this commission the respect it deserves.
Omulamuzi abuuzizza Ataro atangaza oba ng'akimanyiko nti waliwo abantu mu minisitule y'eby'ettaka abajingirira emikono ne batuuka n'okugaba ebyapa mu ntobazi. Ono obulambulukufu ku nsonga eno bwe buganye, omulamuzi n'alagira akwatibwe.
No. Did you get to know that there were anomalies detected in your office and that the district land officer stated that applicants with the help of wrong elements had proceeded to fraudulently title land by forging signatures?
I got to know that when I was inquiring about block 269, but not block.
So when I asked you yesterday, and I'm asking you again today, and you say no, what exactly do you mean? So you actually knew about it?
Not this 170.
Did you? I said this set of transactions. I said a set. I didn't say one. I said a set. Mr. Taro, I just feel you are here to obstruct justice. You're not here to tell us the truth. Can you get me some court orderlies? Can someone get me some court orderlies? We really need to get serious. Please follow those court orderlies. Let them take you to Wandegea police, and you sit there. We will get an investigator to actually take a statement. Please follow them right now. Just stand up and follow those people. We cannot have people obstructing justice here. You've not come here to waste our time and obstruct justice. Please follow. Take her.
Atwaliddwa ku poliisi Wandegea akole statement ku bikwatagana n'emivuyo mu ofisi y'eby'ettaka naddala ku ky'okugaba ebyapa abatakkirizibwa.
Satya Mangusho.
Ye Satya Mangusho ngono yakolako mu ofisi y'eby'ettaka e Wakiso ategeeza akakiiko nti watandikira okukola mu ofisi eno mu 2014 yasanga bakola ku by'ettaka bakuŋŋaanya ensimbi ku buguzi obwa busonjoddwa ku by'ettaka naye ng'ezimu bazeezibika.
I came to the cash office, they opened an account, so we started now collecting the revenue for the what?
For the district.
For the ministry.
For the ministry.
The land fees which I was collecting from Wakiso, which I collected in 2016 for the government, because I was collecting mine through the bank, was 265 billion.
Mangusho era anenyeza abakulira b'ettaka ku disitulikiti y'e Wakiso okulagana naye kayungirizi okujja ensimbi ku bantu nga tebanaana kubakolera ku nsonga zaabwe.
Why would the district land officer need an agent?
Eh?
Why? What was the purpose of the agent? For purposes of collecting money from the public or what?
Yeah, they collect money for them, and they even go on outside scouting for land and giving to them.
Ono akati ali mu ofisi y'eby'ettaka e Mukono anokoddeyo abamu ku beenyigidde mu mivuyo gino.
Damulira, the registrar, Kasozi, and Dr. Batum.
Mangusho ng'aliko omulamuzi w'eddaala erisooka eggulu ne Soroti ategeeza akakiiko nga bwe yatiisibwatiisibwa bakayungirizi kakiiko k'eby'ettaka e Wakiso.
I could not, as I told you, I could not even eat. There was a time they were planning to destroy me plus my driver.
kyokka ono wadde alumiriza banne akakiiko tekamutalizza bwe kamusaba annyonnyole lwaki aliko ekyapa kyeyagaba ku ttaka erimu mu lutobazi ng'akozesebwa permanent secretary mu gavumenti.
Have you realized that that authorization that you wrote on behalf of the PS resulted into issuance of a freehold in a wetland?
I never knew it was a wetland, my lord.
At what point did you realize?
No, I just heard it from when I was here.